Right, I've left this thing overnight. I figured, like, I spent all night cleaning it up, did the carby and everything. I'm going to do a cold start, which is, yeah, I've left the fuel on. Should have turned it off, but alright. Cold start, so I'm going to see what this thing's like on cold start. Yeah, so let's have a look. Not bad. Only a real good engine can idle that, like, tick over like that. Dropping everything off the table though. These two. I gave it an oil change last night too. You know, I ran it up, got it real nice and warm, and gave it an oil change. So then let that run in, so if I have stuck rings or anything, I'm pretty sure I don't now. No smoke, nothing, runs beautifully. Yeah. I just need an air filter and a cover for it. That's the only thing that's missing. I'll take the thing into town and get the right fuel lines for it. And then, well, right now I'm thinking I've got an air compressor that's got a busted electric motor on it, but it's got a good twin cylinder pump. I might stick it on there and just, until I work out me decompressed, like pressure relief valves and stuff, it would just be a case of transport it, watch it, sit there and watch it till about 100 psi, 120 psi or so, and then kill it. So yeah, but that's going to be another series of videos. So yeah, thanks for watching. I'm pretty much going to say that's the end of this series. See you next time.